Hello all the dear customers, welcome to our live.
Hello everyone.
I'm Rachel.
I'm Russell.
We are the founder of Lopo. Last March, we did a live to show all the guys about our factory, which made most of our customers know better about us. So today, we're very happy to let Russell to join us. Russell is is taking the development of our Galaxy Press. So today, how you would like to introduce us about how you developed our Galaxy Press?
Okay, so thank you, Rachel. Hello everyone. Today, I'm very happy to have this live show together with Rachel to introduce all the customer Galaxy heat press machine and our factory. So first, I will introduce the full series of the Galaxy machine products, so the customer will know our products and better. And then I will lead you to our assembly workshop. So where that I will show you how our routine work in the assembly workshop.
Okay.
And then also where you can see that our latest A3 and A2 DTF printer.
Wow, that's
okay.
good.
And then I will lead you to our heat press machine accessory warehouse, so we can see how we manage and the warehouse for accessories.
Yeah.
And at last, I will lead you to our machinery workshop. It's another very important workshop because in there we will machinery all the heat platens and the lower platens, which are most two important parts of Galaxy heat press. And also after the introduction, you will know that why Galaxy press can guarantee even pressure.
Wow, that seems that we will have a very interesting journey today.
Sure. Yes. And but before the introduction, Rachel, I think I would like to take some minutes to introduce the history of Galaxy first.
Okay, that will be a long story.
Okay, just some minutes, okay? So some customers may know that Rachel and I, we opened Lopo in the year 2011.
Yes.
So at the first beginning, and we focused on the sub-dimension blanks products at the first 3 years. With the further cooperation with more and more customers, and we have some customers keep asking us that if we can offer quality heat press machine to them.
Yes.
So at the very first beginning, we were trying to source the heat press machine for our customer in the Chinese market. But very soon we find that there are some problems like unstable quality, poor after-sales service, and also we see that there is no company care about brand building in this. No brand. Okay. So all these reasons and push me to make the final decision that we have to open our own factory and invest money on R&D to produce the heat press machine for our customers.
Okay. So that means that to make high quality. But without any experience,
yes.
But to make decision to develop a full series of products and based on your own name, it should be not an easy decision to make.
Yes, of course.
So
yes.
I think except to trying to bring a better products to the customer, there should be some more reasons. Am I right?
Yes. So always I think it's not easy to make any decision. Okay. So and there's always I think
because we know nothing.
Yes, and I think there's always a final detail to pull the trigger. Okay. I think because in the sub-dimension industry, we know that very well because blanks products and the heat press machine are like a couple. So good quality sub-dimension blanks can help customer to get profit.
Yes.
But for all the customer in this field, you need a quality heat press machine which can guarantee the printing effect so that you can get the better quality blanks products finished, okay? So that can help you to get the profit. So I think the final reason for me to make this decision is that we really want in this field, we can offer a one-stop solution, like a complete circle. So it means that we can offer both branded quality heat press machine and the good quality blanks products together to all our customers over the world in the sub-dimension industry. That's the final reason.
Okay, so in the summary, we will have you have two reasons to decide to start the development of the full series of Galaxy Press.
Yes.
Yeah. Number one is the better quality press machine. And number two, instead of to offer customer products,
Yes.
you want to offer customer the whole solution.
Yes.
Instead, high quality heat press.
Yes.
And a high quality brands.
Yes.
Okay, that's wonderful.
Yes.
Yeah. So as I remember that, before we go into make a roughly idea of how the machine will be look like and how we will open the factory, where we could open the factory, the first thing you did is to trying to get the name and to be registered, right?
Yes, it's also a very interesting and memorable story. I think we take a lot of time to talk about the details and how the logo look like and how we branded the machine and how we how we make the plans and for this brand. Okay, and we talked with many design companies, domestic and overseas, and finally we find a company from the USA and to help us to make the design, and we select this logo. So Galaxy Price, which all customers can see, it will be printed on our machine, and we keep using until today.
Yeah.
So it's a very nice logo, and we all like it. So the reason that why we do this is, I think it's a long-term view. Okay, so we really want to make this heat press machine under our own brand. It's not only that we make machine quickly and just get some profit. So I think this is the reason, and we are very happy that after 8 years hard work, and the Galaxy Price is growing very fast, and now welcomed by more and more customers, and so we are keep moving.
Yeah. So at the first beginning, when we chose to name it as Galaxy, it means that we want our products to be worldwide.
Yes.
And now we are still on the way. Right?
Yes, on the way. Yes.
And so if we go into talk about the history, and I think the most important or the most memorable moment might be the first trade show we had been took.
Oh yes, it's I think it's the first trade show is in London in the year 2013, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we take our first generation Galaxy Price. The model is I think is GS101 at that time. It's our first generation, and we take this machine to the show. It's how to say it's not many customers asking for this machine. But we never give up, and in the last 8 years, and we keep that invest the money and time and R&D on this machine. So, for example, for our GS101, now it's already GS105HS. Okay, so we upgrading and innovating on this machine, and to step by step, and so make this machine. So we always focus on one model, and we want to make this machine the best quality and also the function, the good function for all the customer. So I think this is a story. And also in the year, I think after the first London FISPA, every year we keep attending the FISPA and SIGA in the European USA market. So I think we starting from the 2015, we start Galaxy Price start to enter into the European market.
At that time we found there are some companies who would like to be our dealers.
Yes, and in the year 2020, Galaxy Price start to enter into the USA market. All under our own brand.
7 years later.
7 years later. So we are very happy that to see this happen, and we will work harder and to let Galaxy grow together with our customer.
Okay, so that's a long journey.
Yes, long journey. Yes.
Keep developing the good quality and updating the quality of the machine.
Yes. Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, so.
So I think that.
Sorry.
Okay. Okay. So I think also for the Galaxy Price, it's not only a brand for now. I think it's how to say, and it's really that we put a lot of thought on the Galaxy Price, and we really want to grow up together with all our customer. Okay. So I think it's not very always. It's not easy to establish a brand.
Yeah.
And but I think we are very grateful that 8 years before, and we make this decision, and we keep moving, and until today. So now, and Galaxy Price are welcomed by more and more customers, but we still will work hard and to grow.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. As we can imagine that there should be not an easy way.
Easy way,
So
yes.
what is the most important thing to let you keep moving?
I think it's it's a brand.
Yeah.
It's a brand because it's really that it's like a dream.
Yeah.
Okay, so Galaxy Price is kind of my dream. Okay, so we really want to make a brand that can really win the customers' the trust. So customer buy products with Lopo with Lopo, buy Galaxy Price with Lopo. It's not only because of the price, its quality, but basically it's because that they like this brand and they trust that this brand.
Yeah, I think the most important thing is the trust.
Yes.
And the best reward for our hard working is customers' trust.
Yes.
But
yes,
we're very
yes.
lucky that we got it, because as I remember that all the dealers who is working with us to be our dealer
Yes.
is still working with us.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sure.
At the first beginning, not any other dealers quit.
Yes.
From our Galaxy family.
Yes.
Yeah, I think this is the most important thing to let us agree that at the first beginning we made the right decision.
Yes.
And also that's the most important thing to let us to keep moving.
Yes.
Because I always said that in China it is very easy to make something cheap.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
but it's not very easy to make something really good.
Yes.
And keep moving.
Yes. So after 8 years work, and now that we are here, and we are grateful that we are thank you and grateful that so many customers give support and buy products from the local. And it's always when there is a will, there is a way.
Yeah.
So this is a short story for Galaxy Price, and still we are on the way, and we are sure that we can make this brand better and better, and so to offer the customer continually the good quality products, and we can grow together hand by hand.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, and this year we made our Galaxy with a new slogan, which is happy pressing. And we want all the end users who use our machine can enjoy their job with our machine and have fun with sublimation industry. And finally, will have a feeling as happy pressing.
Okay, also make life memorable.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's all for the introduction of the Galaxy history. Okay.
Yeah.
So now let's start this the introduction. First, let's start introduction of our Galaxy Price.
Okay.
I will introduce the machine one by one to all the customers, so you may know the full series of our Galaxy products. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Let's
so follow the
let's
camera.
follow with Russell. Yeah.
Okay, so I think here we prepare some samples here. So first, the first machine I would like to introduce you is our GS802. Okay.
Yeah.
So this machine actually we have been developed for years, and it's a portable desktop heat press, which is very best for the home use.
Yeah.
And
home and hobby.
yes, home and hobby, and it's A4 size. It's the manual control. Okay. And
Okay, so Russell, what is the most important factor you were thinking before you developed this machine?
so for this machine, first it's a very lightweight.
Yeah.
Okay, it's only 15 kilograms. Okay, and also it's very easy to
Operate.
to take. Okay, so you can take it, put it at home or maybe at a small workshop, or even maybe you can have some printing demo at some beach and school. Okay, so you can use this machine. So A4 size can help you print, especially for the baby stuff and children, some garments. Okay, so this machine is very popular, and also you can see for this machine, we also use a laser cut bottom design. So make this machine is a little bit threadable. So this can help customer to locate the garments and for many garments. Okay, so this machine, and I also like this machine very well. It's very cute. Okay, you can see the design.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the hobby press is very popular among all the crafters And especially for the ladies, so that's why we also have
Yes.
pink color.
And this machine also with the gas spring.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So the next machine I would like to introduce you is also a very interesting machine. It's our A3 size. So from A2 to A3. So there is
A4 to A3.
A4 to A3. Okay.
Yeah.
So there is a reason that because we know very well that for the printer and most of the printer is A3 size for the home use. Okay. So for this machine and you can totally match the A3 printer because we have A3 heat platen and the lower platen. But this machine is not just the heat platen size and a little bit larger than the A4 size. Okay, so for this machine, really is I think is totally very different. We have many innovation and function.
So why you decided to bring this machine into our Galaxy line?
Just the same. I think it's the same theme. It's because we really want to offer the customer complete product line.
Yeah.
So to fulfill that customer's request.
Yeah.
And first, because the A3 size and can mostly for the garments.
A3 and A4 printer is the most
Yes.
common printer in the market.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So we made A3 and A4 machine to let it fit with each other, right?
Yes. And for this machine, the first function is the slide out lower platen. So many customers like this function because for some customer and they think that it will be easy to burn the hands if the lower platen cannot be slide out. So this function is welcomed by many customers. And also for our 803, and we have our most popular function is the RAM lock quick change system. Okay, so by this system, and customer can change different lower platen very quickly and easily, very convenient. This is our pattern design. Okay, so and also you can see here actually we still use the laser cut and threadable bottom design. So customer can locate T-shirt and some bags and very easily. And from here, so because they have the space, okay, and another function, okay, I switch on the machine, so it's also our self patent is the we call RAM spin and RAM spin. So with this function, so customer can use manual control and automatic control on one machine, okay. So you can see that here is the electronic magnet, okay. So here is the manual control, so I can see here. And this is the manual control, okay? And after the time counting to the 0, you must hand open this machine. But it's very easy if you turn this turn this bar and to the auto open function, and this machine will like auto open, okay? So here is the emergency stop button, like this, okay?
Okay. So actually, traditionally in the market, most of the customers think that the most popular size is 15 by 15 inches, means 38 by 38 centimeters. But why we do not develop this machine with that size? Instead, we developed as A3 size. Yeah, we got lots of questions from customer. Can you explain it to us?
Yes, because I think the A3 size and first it can print most of the garments and matchable with the printer. This is the very important reason. There is no need for 15 because we know that for A3 size it's like the 42 by 30. So it's this is the heat platen, and I think this is the most the reason.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we want to for the garment, the better is use this kinds of shape instead of square shape.
Yes, square shape. Yes. Yes.
And also for all the sublimation, you have to print the design onto paper with printer first.
Yes.
And if it goes 38 by 38, then you need to have a roller printer.
Yes, sure.
Yeah,
sure.
to print the design with the size at 38 by 38.
Yes.
Yeah, but if a customer who had a roller printer, then they will not go in with this small size of heat press.
Yes.
Instead, they will go with that larger size, which is 16 by 20 inches.
Yes.
Right. So we noticed that the more useful size for end users is A3 to be perfect match with A3 printer instead of 15 by 15 inches.
Yes, another detail for this machine is that because the reason why we added this RAM spin function is that it's for most subdimension products, and you can use the auto open function. Okay, it's very easy. But we also know there are many different kinds of material like laser transfer. Okay, you need a very strong pressure, and also some customer may be think that the film maybe if you use the auto open function and once the time counting to 0 and the film will be a little bit movement. Okay, move a little bit. So then you can use a manual control. Okay, so can totally solve this problem. So this machine is a perfect solution also for both kinds of this different needs for all the materials. So it's okay. This is also our self-patent design.
So compared with A4 size, then A3 size is an upgraded generation, right?
It's not only upgraded; it's totally new machine.
Yeah, customers could entry with A4, and then later they can update their machine if the business keep growing with A3 size.
Yes.
And this machine is also lightweight. Do not need you to have a very large table.
You can see it's portable. Just on the you can locate on the
it can do all the types of garment and all the type of materials for sublimation.
Yes, and you can see this the two color is also a very popular color. It's a pink and called baby blue.
Tiffany blue.
Tiffany blue. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And,
hope you understand better about these two series of hobby press. Okay.
Okay. So the next machine I would like to introduce you is also a new machine, and we just promote on the market last year.
Yes.
It's our latest swing heat press GS303. Okay. So maybe for some old customer may know that our the old version for swing heat press is GS301 and GS302. Okay, but it's a little bit heavy. And the machine is strong, but very heavy, and you must pack it under a wild metal table. Okay, so because we have some customer also asking us that if you can offer swing heat press that with strong pressure but lightweight. So this is the reason. So
means that we had a bad experience about the old. A heavy duty of GS302.
Yes.
And then based on that experience, we developed this new 303.
Yes. So we always follow the customer and the market needs.
Actually, we got some questions from customer that most of customer, if they did not see the machine. If they just see the machine from the photos. So some customers said, "Oh, Rachel, this is just a normal heat press machine, which is available in the market for decades. So what is the key and what is the difference we can share? What is the difference for this machine and compared with the one which already in the market from other suppliers?"
Okay, Rachel, and I can understand that maybe for some customers you have this question. So actually for this machine, and we cooperate with design company. It's to make the outlook design. Okay, so for this machine, and first the biggest change is that we use the die casting and the structure. So for all the machine base, both the machine base and the arm of this machine, actually we use the die casting. It's made by aluminum. So this machine actually the parts is is not so many parts. So we know very well that like Tesla, okay? So the parts, the less the parts are, and we can guarantee the assembly per size, and we can guarantee that this machine in the good quality, okay? It's very easy to assemble, we can see that. So this is the biggest difference. So this machine actually is made by the mold, the main parts.
Oh, that's very important.
Okay, and also the heat plate and the lower plate, it's made by mold.
So means that before you going to design, our engineer going to design this machine, we were thinking how we can make the assembling job to be more easier. And finally we can get the stable quality for all types of all the machines, no matter regardless who will assemble this, right?
Yes. So the first detail for this machine is that this machine uses a lot of aluminum.
Yeah.
Okay, so like the base and the arm, hip platen, lower platen, so all use aluminum. Okay, and also
that's the molded part. Right?
Molded part. Okay, it's casting. Okay, so another point for this machine, we know very well that for swing price and so the swing function must be very easy and light. Okay,
yes.
So this function and also we put a lot of thought to make this design and inside. Okay, so it's very easy to swing away.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me try it. Yeah. Yeah, we can get the camera a little bit closer. So you mean this structure is very important.
Very important inside.
Yes.
Because we have some design
to make it smooth.
Yes.
And easy and light.
Also, you can see here is very easy to adjust the pressure.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can just adjust the pressure and with.
Okay. Another question: what is the maximum thickness of this machine can print?
It's a 25 millimeter.
25 centimeter.
25
centimeter, right?
Yes.
25
centimeter.
25.
It's 25 millimeter. 25 millimeter. Okay, 25 millimeter. Okay, and also for this machine, and we also we have the RAM lock quick change system. Okay, so all the machine that we have this function, so customer can change very easily and quickly. Okay, and also for this machine, it's this machine can get a very heavy pressure.
Yeah.
So let's adjust this to the end. Okay, so you can. But it's very easy for you to press down. Okay, but the pressure and it's a much stronger pressure for this machine you can get.
This is also good for the female users.
Yes, female users. And also we use this LED, the LCD is a control board. So it's, okay, so like this. And the control box is interchangeable. So for this machine, because we really think a lot.
Interchangeable, that will be good for dealers.
So it's very easy, you just take off these 4 screws and so very easy for after sales service.
Yeah.
And because this is we always design the machine, we think of the after sales service for our customer.
For our dealers.
For our dealers, yes, like this. Okay. So this is
after sales service is very important. And I found another advantage for this machine. So if you are not tall enough, compared with this, you have to be tall enough, then you can close the handle very easily, right? But if you are not very tall enough, then maybe the better is go with a swing machine because the handle is shorter.
Yes, right? Because many, especially for many girls and female use, they may like the swing price because it's very easy to press down. Okay, so for this machine, I think another point is you can see because here is not enough space. Actually, this we can have the 120 angle. Okay, because of the wall, and you can see the bottom design. Okay.
Okay.
Also,
there is a customer who left a message about asking how can I place the order, and I need a sample for testing before back order. Okay, firstly, you need to send the email to our sales, and we have a dealer for most of European and the US countries. So, send emails to our sales. Then the sales will get back to you by the nearest dealer to you, and then you can get the sample from our dealers. Okay.
Okay, so the next machine is our popular machine that we sell the most. Okay, Star machine. It's our GS105 HS. Okay, so this machine and we upgrading for 6 times and from GS101 and to GS105 HS. Okay, so now for this machine, let's switch on this machine and. So this machine and many other customers may know very well. First, it has the slide out lower platen. Okay, it's a very good mechanism, and this is a very strong slide out function, and no problem at all. Okay, and also this machine we have our the RAM lock quick change system. Okay, so this function can help customer to
quick change system. It seems to be more popular because because it can make customer have more possibilities
Yes.
to do the garment printing and to do different types of sublimation blanks.
Yes.
Yeah.
And this machine also use a laser cut bottom threadable design. Okay.
Yeah.
So for customer to locate the different kinds of garments.
Yeah.
Okay. And,
Actually, the slide out structure of our GS105S had been impressed by lots of customers and lots of users.
yes. This is not totally different mechanism from other kind of machines, and we put a lot of sauce and it's a lot of machinery accessories. It's
Yeah.
not a standard accessory you buy in the market. So because for this machine we know very well, because customer can print this machine. Maybe for heavy users, they print thousands of times a day.
Yeah.
Okay, and because this one is not only slide out, but also you must afford the pressure.
Yeah.
Okay, this is very important. Okay.
Okay. We thought it's just a slide function.
Or not
Okay,
not
thank
only.
you.
Okay. Because another point for this machine I would like to share is also we add the RAM speed
speed.
function. Okay. So you can see this machine they have the manual control. Okay. And also they have the auto open control function.
This is our pattern structure. Yeah.
Okay, so it's a very I like this function actually. It's a very useful. And also we have the pressure pressure indicator
Pressure
here.
sensor, yeah.
So I always this machine and the control box is also interchangeable. So I think this machine is have all the function customer needs in the market already. So with this machine and the customer, we can totally promise customer you can get the printing effect with this machine. Okay.
Yeah. This is the most high-end heat press
yes.
machine among our Galaxy family,
Yes.
and it has a pressure sensor. Pressure sensor is very important for all the die-up users because different material will need different pressure, especially for starters. They
Yes.
don't know
Yes.
what is medium and what is high, and if you got a press that with a pressure sensor, then you just need to listen to your vendors will you buy the blanks and listen to them what kinds of pressure like set the pressure at 5 for MDF, set the pressure at 9 for linen products. That's easy, right? Everybody can do it. So pressure sensor is very, very important for die-up users with different material printing.
Yes, it's okay. So I think for the GS105H, it's we introduced all the information already. Okay.
Yeah.
So next,
If you want to know better about this machine and how to use it, then you can contact our sales.
okay. So next, I think this is our cap price. Okay. So
Most economy.
economy, and but this machine is also
Economy and stable.
stable, and
Yeah.
we also sell very well. Okay.
Yeah.
So this machine is very easy to operate. Okay.
Yeah.
And
From-
we have
from
different
our-
of the modes, and
Yeah.
for the lower plate, the customer can change.
Yeah.
It's we sell for years this machine. Okay. And another.
For this machine, we almost got zero complaint.
Oh yes. It's a very stable.
The most stable,
machine.
yeah.
And and we have many customers use this machine and print thousands of caps today,
Yeah.
even in domestic market, and they like this machine.
Yeah.
Another machine, the next this is the latest machine in the last year. I think.
Tumbler press,
Tumbler
the
press.
most popular machine.
One because we have the 30 ounce, 20 ounce, many different kinds of tumblers are very popular setting, and then we develop this machine. So always for Galaxy price, and we develop the machine and follows the blanks products. Okay, so I can see here we have different colors. These three we have the pink and also Tiffany blue, and this is our main color. It's a black gray color. Okay, so for this machine, it's also for this machine is very compatible with different kinds of the mark heaters, and but especially this machine this is 30 ounce mark heater, and we designed the heater a little bit longer. And
The longest one in the market, which is
one, yes.
32 centimeters.
32 centimeter. Okay,
Yeah.
and so with a guarantee.
It can compatible for almost all the tumblers and
With straight sheet.
yeah, and
Yes.
the marks with cylindrical shapes.
Yes, cylindrical shape. Okay, and also the design here actually is very different from some other companies. And here we can have a little bit. We call it is movable. Okay, here, and also this part we made by aluminum. Okay, so it's very easy to adjust pressure. The two pressure bar and to can guarantee the even pressure because this is a very long tumbler. Okay, and it's here is for the customer to change the different heaters. The control board is also can take off. We use take off design. Interchangeable. It's, for all the control board, it's interchangeable. Okay, so this machine is because the tumblers now is
this is the most popular machine in the market since last year, and it still keep. It seems that it still keep growing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Still growing,
and for this machine, all our dealers from US and the European countries, they have the machine in stock. So if you want to start your own tumbler business, then contact our sales. They will lead you the best way to get this cute but most useful mark press machine. Okay.
Yes. Many customers like this machine, and yes.
So one for all is the reason for us to try to develop.
I think the first the order, and maybe we have the 200, and one is totally finished, and we put the machine on the QC table, and the girls in the factory say, oh, this machine is very beautiful, especially the pink design and the Tiffany blue.
Yeah.
Okay. I think
sometimes new color do refresh the market.
Yes. Yeah. And this machine is also it's air compressed, 4-station and GS 208, 206. Okay, it's a 4-station air compressed mark press. So this machine is designed for.
So what is the target market or target customer for this machine?
Because for the mark price, actually, we know if there are some small, you don't have big quantity orders, you can buy the manual control, okay?
Yeah.
The single one and maybe 4-station one, the manual one, okay? But if you have, I think, maybe 3,000, 5,000 marks, and even maybe 10,000 marks to finish, to fulfill in one day, I think we think that customer must need a more efficient station that can help them to fulfill the order. So we developed this machine. So this machine is compatible with the 11 and 15 ounce marks. Okay.
Yeah, because the most sellable mark in the market is 11 and 15 ounce mark.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this machine also you can use the 2-station, this 2-station and 4-station together. Yeah. Okay, and then also we have the.
It's totally automatic.
Totally we can say that all the printing process totally automatic.
Yeah.
But this need a compressor, air compressor.
Okay. So this might be for small factory use.
Yes, small factory.
Do not have a big enough space for oven.
Yes.
Because mostly because I did visit lots of printing factories.
Yes.
For some big printing factories, they use conventional oven.
Yes.
To do the mark printing. But also for some small factories, they are who is struggling with the space, and maybe this 4-station air compressed mark press will be the best choice for them.
Because we think for many even for many customers, and maybe even they want to they have maybe small workshop or maybe small warehouse, but the place is not enough for them to locate a large oven. Okay.
Yeah.
But also they need a solution and to fulfill the order, maybe for the quantity marks. Okay.
Yeah.
So this machine is very easy, can help them to achieve this this goal, because they can buy, for example, for our one GS 206. Okay, it can print it can print 500. It can print 500 marks and for 8 hours. Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe you can have
500 pieces for 8 hours.
8 hours.
Yeah.
Okay.
And another thing, I think this will be good choice for some companies who want to do an open shop.
Open shop. Yes.
Yeah.
Open shop. Yes.
Yeah. To show customer how the sublimation can do a personalized marks.
Okay.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think it's all. So here actually we finished the introduction of the Galaxy price that we sell the most. Okay, and next.
So you can see we have A4 and A3 and GS115HS. So you can update your machine from A4, A3, and GS115HS all Swinger. This can, along with the updation, and then maybe your business is growing. And also we have the most popular mark press machine, which is the tumbler press. And also we have introduced the air mark press 4. So this is the most model among our Galaxy family. So hope you understand better about the function of all the machines and also the target market of all the machines. Or maybe from today's introduction, you found the right machine for you. Okay, so next, let us follow with Russell, and he will show us about the production line, right?
Okay, so next I will introduce you the workshop. Okay,
Yeah.
assembly shop for our Galaxy press.
Okay, let's
so
go.
Let's go. Okay.
Okay, so follow with me.
Here is actually our office building. Okay, so we have 3 floors, and we just at the 3rd floor, and now this is the 2nd floor. It's our office, and we have the purchase department, human resource department, financial department, and other service departments. Okay, so here we can. So here you can see this is a bridge that we built and to connect to the office building and to our workshop. Okay. Okay, so you can see here is our assembly workshop, and this is the DTF printer A3. Okay, so we are doing the QC process for this A3 printer, and for the workshop we have here is the assembly line area. Okay, so we do the assembly here. And also we have the QC inspection area. Okay, in that area we have the 110 and 220 voltage different testing area in here. Okay, so we can follow the camera, and here this is the A3 DTF, and here you can see, and we are testing the new this is A2 DTF printer.
Okay, so
it's,
I have a question.
Okay.
Why you would like to bring the DTF into our line? Because
actually,
it seems a totally new technology.
Yes, it's. I think that for the DTF, we start to see this technology for 2 or 3 years.
Yeah.
And it's on the show, and we have maybe Sweden company.
Yes.
Okay, they have this. They have machine, but during the last maybe 3 years, and we see there are companies and developing this machine, but the quality is not very stable.
Yeah.
And but we keep focusing on this trend because the technology is always innovative.
You think that this technology is a kind of game changer, right?
I think it's a game changer because it's a really a good solution for the white ink. Okay, it's not because we know that
Good
for the
solution for cotton material.
and
for all the
yes.
garment printers,
For
right?
DTG machine, it's also we know it can print the white ink. Okay, but I think first the machine is very expensive.
Yeah.
And also the efficiency is not so fast, I think.
Yes.
And but for DTF, I think it can solve this problem. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, and
yes, it is.
not only that for the cost is very economic for
Cost
customers.
is cheaper than DTG,
Yes.
and it can bring the solutions
Solution,
for
yes.
the black color or cotton material printing.
Yes.
And because for the solution we are offering now with heat press and
Yes.
segmented brands, it's all based on polyester-based material. I mean, for the fabric.
Yes.
But DTF, if we add DTF into our line, we do not have any material limitation.
Yeah. I think this is the biggest advantage.
Yeah.
We have no limitation for the DTF,
Yeah.
even polyester and all kinds of cotton
Yeah.
T-shirt, bags,
And
okay,
jeans.
Jeans, okay.
Yeah.
So and it's very easy.
Yeah.
So for the A3 and the printing, they have only one printer head, okay.
Yeah.
So this machine is a desktop. It's
Yeah.
based on the 18,000 and yes on the printer, and so we start to sell this machine already. And for this machine, actually, we test for a long time. And totally until we guarantee the quality, and we can offer the full solution, including all the inks and the powder and the machine and all the after-sales service. And then we decide to promote this machine. Okay, so this machine will officially we promote the market since maybe in this January. Okay, so we prepare everything ready, so customer can buy this machine from us. We totally guarantee this.
We will have a live on 15th of March to show you the difference of A3 and the A2 DTF printer, and also we'll show you what kind of material that DTF can apply. So don't miss it. Follow it with us. We will see you on 15th of March. Okay?
Yes, we will show you more the technology and also the printing blanks in the lab show. Okay?
Yeah.
So this is the A2 site, okay, with the two printer, okay. So the printing efficiency, yes, and this machine can print.
We can show it roughly. Yeah.
It can print 30 millimeter.
Yeah.
Okay, 30 millimeter wide. Okay.
The wide is the biggest wide is 30 centimeter.
30 centimeter, yes.
Yeah.
Centimeter.
Then the printing is faster.
Okay.
Yeah. And it can print and shake the powder and bake the powder, and then it can recycle the printed image.
Okay.
Okay, we will do a live to show you every details about this machine and the DTF technology on 15th of March. So don't miss it.
Okay. Okay, now so we follow the camera and we introduce you our assembly process. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so here actually we are assembling, and I think the one most important detail is here is we call is the assembly standard operation manual. Okay, so maybe you can see here we prepare all the machines. So so all the workers must be assembled the machine according to this manual. This is totally authorized by our engineer department. So by this file, that we can guarantee that all the Galaxy price can be assembled under the same process. Okay, so you can see. Yes, here is the different types of this operation the manual. Okay, 303. Okay. So maybe I can take this one out so customer can see. So we can see from this operation process and the menu, and it's very clearly, and the workers will know step by step and how to assemble each part together. This is the lower platen assembly step, and this is the arm. Okay, so all the details and to make sure this machine and finally to be assembled. It's very detailed. So this is how we assemble the machine. Okay, so it's like this.
Every detail.
Yes, every detail. Okay.
Yeah. So for all the models, once the assembly line is assembled which model, then they will shoot this document to the assembly line. I think this is very important.
It's
Firstly,
very important, yes.
It can make the standard, make everything to be have the same standard.
Yes.
And also can let the new workers
and
be more easier to learn how to install the machine, right?
And also, actually, that area is our QC inspection area. So all the machines, and we have at least burn the machine for 2 hours before the machine is packed. And we have a very serious QC inspection process. Okay, so this is the almost like the sample shop. Okay, so next I will lead you to our the accessory warehouse. Okay, and to show you that how we control that, how we manage the accessory. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so follow the camera and you can see this is our assembly machine assemble shop. Okay. Hope you like it. Okay, so here is we assemble the wire. We assemble the wires, and for the this is a connector, the aviation connector. Okay. Okay, so we follow the camera now. We go to the third floor. Okay, so the accessory warehouse is located in the third floor, and where I will show you that all the accessory stock management for Galaxy price is also very important. Okay, so we must control the quality, and also we must have the very good management. So this is our warehouse for all the accessories. Okay, we can follow the camera, and we can see. Because we use the ERP system, okay, so we use the ERP system, and also all the files, and actually we will use this material card and for the warehouse keeper and to manage it. Okay. Okay, so here this area you can see this is our platen area. So all the heat platen and the lower platen are located in the different area. And so we have different labels to show here. And because this is totally the same with the ERP system, and for the warehouse keepers and to locate different material according to this label. Okay, so different parts, and this is the welding parts, and also this is accessory area. Small accessory like control board and the screws all in this area. Okay, so you can see this is the light component parts.
Yeah, I can see that all the small parts is packed in PP bag instead of exposed in the air. Yeah, this is very important and very nice because this can avoid these small parts from dusty, right?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
I think I can show you maybe the because we just introduced customer the swing price GS303 and so you can see here it is a new base. Okay, so this is the totally molded. This is not painted. Okay, made by aluminum, made by mold for GS303. The swing price, the machine base, and also the arm. So this is totally new. It's not just welded. It's totally made by mold. Okay, this is big change and can make the machine and very integrated and in good quality. Yeah. And also very easy to assemble.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the key difference.
Key difference. Okay.
Yeah.
So I think that's all. And customer, you can have a look. And I think in this way you will know that Galaxy price better. So in this live show, really want to show all the details for the factory to you and help you to hope you like our factory. Okay. So next we follow the camera. I think we go to the next station, and I will show you our machinery shop. Okay, so in the machinery shop, you may see that how we machinery heat platen and the lower platen. Okay, it's also very important workshop for us. Okay, so this is the third floor, and we need to go to the first floor. Okay.
Okay.
So we really like that more and more customers that they can know the Galaxy better and can cooperate with us. Okay. So now we are going to the first floor of the factory. So
it's a little bit more.
Yes, we have 3 floors. Okay. So the first floor here. Okay. So follow the camera here. Okay. Okay, so here is our machinery shop, which we machinery the lower platen and so you can see this is the heat platen. Okay.
Lower platen, right?
Oh, this is the let me see. This is the heat platen.
Okay.
This is the heat platen, and this is just the after the machinery of the service, and we use the machinery machine. And okay, maybe let me introduce you from the first beginning. Okay. So the process is like this. First, we use this machinery machine and to machine the surface of each platen. So you can see, so to make the surface like a mirror, okay. And then we go to the next step to drill the holes, and for the thermocouple, and also we will in this area, and we will machinery the edge of this platen. Yes, make it smooth.
This is not smooth. This is the smooth. Right? This is not smooth.
This is after you can see here. Actually, it's and here actually we are doing the here we are drilling the heating pipe here, okay, to machinery this for the heating the pillar here, okay, and here actually we drill the holes and for the thermal site. Okay, and here actually we drill for the thermocouple hole. The thermocouple. Here, actually, here is also this is the drilling for the heating pipe here, okay. Yes. Actually, okay. So we have the at the beginning, and we can offer this job to other suppliers.
Yeah.
But finally, we choose to to machinery, heat platen and lower platen by ourselves, because these two parts, and from the material, from the molding company, and from the mold, we open by ourselves.
Yeah.
Because this is a very two important part,
yeah.
And we really want to guarantee the quality.
Yeah.
So yes, so for the heat platen and the lower platen,
yeah.
And we never
this is the most important part.
Yes, we never give the job to the other supplier, and we do by ourselves. Mm-hmm. Okay, and also from the material and the whole parts.
Yeah.
And even for the heating pad, and I think we have the UL.
Yeah.
We have the UL certificate.
Yeah.
Okay, so all these details guarantee the Galaxy product can offer very good quality.
Yeah.
For a good heat press machine, it's it integrates of many different details. It's not only that you have a good factory, you have a sophisticated worker, but from the raw material and supplier and the quality control and the QC process, you must guarantee all the details that you can offer a good heat press machine, the final good product to our customer.
Okay, yes. Thank you, Russell, for your introduction. Yes, if you, like I said at the first beginning, if you want to make something really good, it's not an easy job.
Yes.
But glad Russell did it from, like he said that, from the raw material to the production line and to the engineer, and also from the marketing research. We noticed we got the customer's requirement and we chose the best material, we use the best technology or best workmanship to make everything to be perfect. But still we will see that Galaxy Press is not a perfect press. And I am sure that there are lots of things we can make this machine to be better, but we are always on the way. Like I said, keep moving to be better, because there is nothing to be perfect.
Yes, and we can see that even after 8 years and the hard work, but it's not very easy. But we can see that we have a bright future.
Yeah.
And we will work hard and keep moving and offer more and more quality products to our customer. I think at last, I want to show you the factory team to our customer. Okay. So we follow the camera and go to our front gate. Okay.
Yes.
So you can see here is our
lovely members.
Factory team. Okay. So yes. So all these allowable workers together, we work together to offer our customer the best quality products here. Okay. Okay. So we smile to all the customers. Okay. Hello. Okay. Hi, we are Galaxy Press.
Yeah, we are Galaxy Press, and thank you for joining us with today's live. Now we have all the dealers from European and US market. If you have any request, we are also welcome you, the customers who is really want to bring something new and something good, something that really can help your customer to grow in the business in supplement industry to join our Galaxy family.
Okay, so today's live show I think is almost finished, and so we see you at March 15th. See you in next live show, okay?
Okay, thank you for joining us. And
Okay.
see you.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.